I did some tests of my Acmer P2 laser in the house. Made some space in the shop. One of the first things I love about this is how well it's packaged. That tells me quality. Just gonna unbox everything. Accessories, materials, safety glasses, laser module, air pump, lots of beautiful safety packing. The power supply. This is going to be the home for this guy, right over here in the corner of my workbench. Later, I'll have a separate project where I get this set up with an enclosure ducted straight outside. Power right there. Power plugged into the side. Got the air assist module that plugs in underneath. Got the laser. Laser is just going to click right into this guy. There we go. Tighten. Can't miss it. 1 and 2. Plug that in. That's the air assist. Goes through that little safety ring over the pipe down at the bottom. There we go. Now the other end of this air assist goes into the tube on this side. Let's go into our little accessory package. Computer connection. The keys. Some extra parts. I'm going to go in here for this nice little tool package. And one of these little wrenches, and we'll take off the shipping blocks. There's 4 of those. I'm going to put them right back in here for if I ever have to move this again. Got the 2 on the front. Alright. There's the 2 on the back. Now it can move freely. Tools put away. All we got to do, plug that key in, turn it on. That's working. How much simpler could it be than that? Okay, I got this all set up in the shop. Not exaggerating. Took maybe 5 minutes. Maybe 10 with a little extra cleanup. All I had to do was plug in the power supply, plug in the air supply, take out the 4 shipping retainers, turn on the key. It's all preset up and ready to go. It was that simple. Now I'm going to run a quick test. First I got to set the laser. Alright, so just going to use this handy little gauge, depth gauge. I'm going to drop that down and lower the laser until it touches my little piece of test MDF. There we go. Raise that back up now. One more important thing. Get out my safety glasses, which thankfully are big enough to fit over my prescription glasses. I've got Acmer Studio set up here on my computer. Got my logo I'm gonna use. So first I come up here and I've hit connect, and my Acmer P2 33-watt diode is connected. I've already got the material and everything set up. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit home. That sends the laser to home. Now I'm gonna send it to center. Put my piece of test wood under the center. Get my safety glasses. There we go. All right, now I'm going to hit process. And start. All right, check that out. That is a beautiful, you can just kind of, it's not so much burned on the MDF. I like printing on the MDF. It's kind of recessed just a little bit. All right, unboxing, setup to test, 20 minutes max. This baby's gonna get a lot of use here.